First one, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. See how close I am to her? So when we release her this far. Close the gap. There I go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I turn the follow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I bring the follow towards this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot the mic. Then I do a left turn. 1, 2. I switch. I prep. 4. Then I switch sides again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Get close to your follow. 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1. Second one, we start with the turns with 2 hands. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it helps, leads, I trace the arm. I trace the arm to grab, have some kind of contact. What I'm looking for, that she, I saw that she, we do the rocky step. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Prep turn. 1. We both go out, step, step, tap. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, touches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Trace the hand. 1, I got it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Bonus. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And 1. See.